This video is sponsored, supported and brought to you by APEALZ.com, which is an amazing platform for the artists and art lovers. They sell removable stickers and provide opportunity to you to make your own stickers with your art. I will add detail later. So today I am going to paint a coconut tree, two palm trees and a betelnut tree. In order to paint or draw any landscape or scenery, addition of palm, coconut or betelnut tree gives or adds more textures to the landscape. It looks good and the quality of landscape painting increases. I am making this particular video in English because this is a sponsored one. So back to the main subject I am going to paint today. First of all, palm tree. Palms have flat, sharp and zigzag kind of leaves, which is main and probably tough to paint. I am painting digitally using the fill brush. If you are using any other medium like acrylic, oil, watercolor or pastel medium, paint following the way I am painting here. Use darks after light if you are using watercolor. I am starting with the darks and adding much lighter color over it as we do it in acrylic or oil medium. You can slow down the video to understand how the brush works is going on. Now the time to thank and mention our sponsor APEALZ.com. Thank you APEALZ for sponsoring the video. APEALZ is a platform for artists like me to showcase their talent and monetize the creations. APEALZ mainly sell removable stickers which you can stick, remove and restick and have fun. Go to your web browser and type in APEALZ.com, then click on the first option result shown. That will take you to the main APEALZ.com homepage. Here you can choose from the long catalog or create your own stickers. I am a creator here and you can go to my profile and choose from my artwork too. And like this you can paste it on any product as you please. I am taking this Google Pixel 6 back cover and my pack of board digital painting is looking awesome on it. I will give all the links along with my referral links where you get discounts and I will get some help. So try it, become a creator by the process shown in the video. Again a big thanks to APEALZ.com for the opportunity. Now when the palm tree is done, let's paint a coconut tree. This also going to make your painting of coconut tree amazing. First of all, I am painting the basic shape of the leaf and then erasing according to the need. Here I am using the fill brush again. The leaf of the trees I am painting is harder to paint and that is the main challenge. Do not worry, use this following method which makes the process easier for you. Add the colors you see in the nature in coconut tree of your surroundings. I am using shades of green and tint of orange and darks. I am repeating again, follow the method shown in the video to get full result and learn things. After this mazy coconut tree, I am at last going to paint the betelnut tree now. The method of painting betelnut tree is quite the same as coconut tree. There is some difference as well. The leaves of the betelnut tree is identical to the coconut tree leaves, but it has some more flat, square and round shape, opposite to the coconut tree. You know that betelnut leaves grows almost in the same direction like an arc. I am painting the basic shapes and erasing according to my need. Since I am using digital medium, here I can use masking technique or the clipping mask technique to add some more depth to the leaves. Let me know whether you get any help in order to paint these beautiful trees in the comment section and subscribe to my channel to get more fine art tutorials. Goodbye.